Today we have affirmations to beat burnout. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am allowed to rest. I can recharge my energy. I prioritize my well-being. I recognize when I need breaks. Every day I restore myself. Today I protect my peace. I am more than my work. I deserve time to recover. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.